What is up, YouTube? Dave with Kickfam back with yet another video for your viewing pleasures. Today is a day that I am actually going to do a video of a sneak that has already dropped a few weeks ago. I'm sure there's plenty of videos out there already about this sneak, but I am a little bit behind on my videos. So I've actually haven't uploaded a sneaker video in 1 month probably. I think it's about a month since the last time I uploaded a sneaker video. So I have a boatload of sneakers to show you. So this week I am hoping to upload a video every day, if not every day, every other day, so I can share with you people on the YouTube scene the sneakers that we have collected in the last month here in the Kick Fam, which is an abundance of sneakers. So the first sneaker that I want to show you that we've added to our collection is a Grail. It's a Grail. It's a sneaker that when I was younger I always wanted, but I could never get because my parents would not spend the money for this sneaker. It is none other, as you can see, than a Jordan. Of course, once you see the box, because like I said, there's been a lot of videos done on this one, you're going to be able to tell it is the Jordan 11 Concord. This is a sneaker that I've wanted my whole life. Now, the good part is I waited so long that I was able to get the sneaker that they released it. They released this year, which is the first time they released it since 1995 in the OG way, with the OG Jordan box. And then you got, bam, the sneaker. Now, I wore these. I'm not going to lie. I have worn these maybe once. I've worn these once since I got them. But here they are. They are the Jordan 11 Concord in the OG style. As you can see, the OG style, all it is basically the patent leather is a higher cut. They put the number 45 on the back of both sneakers. And then on the inside, they actually branded it with the Nike Air on the sole, on the inside of the shoe, on the bottom. Now you've also got the Concord purple on the translucent icy bottoms, which you can see. I wore these once. And then the upper is a mesh upper with leather overlays on it. And I'm going to say that these fit. You might be able to go down a half a size on these if you want them, if you can find them, which I've actually live in the Philadelphia area. So I went to the Deffert Mall this weekend, and they are sitting in a sneaker store called Re-Up Boutique, and they're actually over there for a good price. If you want to wait, if you want them in hand, if you can wait a couple weeks or a couple days or a week, they're on StockX and they're not too far off from retail. So all in all, great sneaker, great Grail to get for your collection if you can get it. I think Nike did a great job on these with the packaging, even though a lot of people complained about the sneaker box, the box not being up to par with the other 11s that released in the past years that were slide out boxes. But they did put the Concord purple shoe insert, which I love, and it's not the cardboard, it's an actual plastic, so which I think is a great addition for the money that you paid for them. So I will say that I did wear them out shopping, Christmas shopping, and I wore them from 11 o'clock in the morning until 11 o'clock at night. And after wearing these for a while, they get very uncomfortable. which seems like a standard for Jordan. So if you plan on shopping, these are not the sneakers to wear. But if you plan on just kicking it for a few hours and you want to look good, definitely a sneaker to wear. So my hat is off the Jordan brand for releasing these in 2018 and bringing it back the OG way that they dropped it in 95. And next year, from what I hear, the 2019 holiday Jordan 11 is going to be the bread, which is another one of my grails that I've been wanting since I was a kid. So you can definitely check that off on your to get list for me next holiday season. So like I said, Jordan, great job on these. I can't wait to see what you put out the rest of 2018 and all next year in 2019. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, remember, hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. If you have any comments, drop them below. And like I said, I have tons of sneakers to catch you all up on that we add to the Kickfam collection. So I'm going to try and drop a video every other day this week, if I can, or every day if I can. But until the next video, my name is Dave with Kickfam. Thank you for watching again. And Jordan, thank you for dropping one of my grails. A perfect gift for the holidays. And I'll see you on the next one.